everybody, my name is Emily. The channel is One at a Time. Today I'm taking you with me during spud harvest to drive a 10-wheeler so you can see what that job is like. Alright, we've checked all the fluids. Now we are waiting for that air gauge. Alright, we got enough air. We're gonna... door on these trucks. We got to get it put down. You can see it in the mirror as it comes down. So we leave the cellar and we're going to head out to the field to get another load. And this is what a 10-wheeler at harvest will do over and over again. Stay during potato harvest can be 12 to 15 hours long, and the truck driver just keeps making the rounds to haul the potatoes to the cellar. The next clips are going to be of the perspective of the potato digger as they load the 10-wheeler. And that's it. This truck is headed to the cellar to drop off potatoes into the storage. And that concludes the video about driving 10-wheeler during potato harvest. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy content like this, please subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. And as always, eat more potatoes.